I am very grateful to Mr. Dr. Michael Jensen and his wife, and I am grateful and thankful to Anila Ali and Kashim Mirza and whole Universal Peace Federation and Washington Times. They have invited me, and I am very thankful to all of you who are present here. I just want to add one or two things regarding Dr. Michael's speech. He said that we should win through spirituality. We should all have faith. We should all have religion. Doctor said that we are against communism because they do not believe in God. Dr. Michael, I want to add one thing more. If communism is a virus, in your opinion, because they do not believe in God, then atheism is a more worse virus. Because if a person is atheist, he does not believe in life after death. He or she does not believe in accountability after death. So if a person does not have any mind of accountability after death, he or she should not be moral bound or have nothing moral bindings towards these things. If a person has faith, if a person has religion, no matter what religion, we all believe in one God, one created. We all believe in our Creator. And even Allah says in Quran, "Ta'alu ila kalimatin sawa'in baynana wa baynakum." Come to the words which are common among us. There are commonalities among religion. We believe in heaven and hell. We believe in prophet. We believe in angels. We believe in life after death. We believe in spiritual. We believe in the power of prayer. We believe in rituals. We believe in sacred scriptures. So we have very much commonality that we should unite through God. We should unite. We should have heart-to-heart connection. We should have spirituality. We should have faith in one God. So if you want to fight communists, you should fight atheism in Pakistan, in USA, and in all other parts of the world. At last, I want to pray, and this is the power of prayer. May Allah protect the people of world from all evils. May Allah give them happiness. May Allah bring harmony. May Allah help us, and may Allah protect us from our own careless thoughts, words, and actions, and keep us from being distracted by our wants, our desires, our thoughts on how things should be. May Allah give us wisdom to make the best choices and fill us with the desire to seek after you more than anything else in the world. And may Allah give peace to the world. Thank you.